After 212 days, the financial capital, Mumbai, has reported more than 1,000 new coronavirus cases. The Omicron count is 167 in Maharashtra. 72 people beat the infection. City has reported 1,377 new cases. One death on Tuesday. 70% jump in the tally on Monday is being reported. With this surge, active cases in city have soared past 7,000. Maharashtra's tally has seen an uptick owing to surge in Mumbai. State has reported 2,172 new cases. Maharashtra has over 14,000 active cases of COVID now. Saurav Akhtania is now joining us. Saurav, this is a matter of huge concern in Maharashtra with rising number of COVID cases. Also, Maharashtra perhaps is testing more, and there could be many, many more across the country because the numbers seem to be rising across the length and breadth of the nation. Saurav.
Well, absolutely. Testing is high, but cases are continuously increasing, and there is a sudden rise. Basically, if I tell you, in last 1 week, from 500 to 600 cases, from 700 to 800 cases, and yesterday we saw huge rises. That is around over 1,300 cases in a single day, which Mumbai has never seen in a very long period of time. The most important thing is the public places, the crowded area. The major concern for the officials right now is that people are not wearing masks. This is the most important concern. Right, my camera person Vijay, to show you the visuals over here. Most of the people, if you see, are not wearing masks properly. They are without masks. And this is the major concern right now. The health minister just now had taken a press conference. What he has said is, maximum of the crowd, that is around 1 crore people in whole of Maharashtra, have not taken the first dose, and this is a huge concern. The second dose, let me tell you, Chaiti, for the second dose, only 54% have taken their second dose. So if you imagine that the vaccination is pretty much less, and the officials are right now very much concerned that people are not taking vaccination. For the vaccination for children from age group 15 to 18, what the health minister have said, that if given a permission, they will go to school as well and vaccinate the children, which will be very helpful for them. Right now also, behind visuals you saw, Chaiti, most of the people are not wearing their mask, and in fact many of them are not even carrying masks with them. So this is a major concern, and what the health minister right now is telling us, that if needed and if cases continues to rise, they are going to enforce strict lockdown measure in the coming days. The review meeting is already on. He's also saying that a meeting between the task force and the Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray will also be taking place in a couple of days. So they are continuously monitoring the situation. They are saying if the cases continues to rise in such manner, then more stricter curbs will be imposed. Right now, no lockdown, but yes, the situation will be monitored, and in couple of days to 3 days from now, some more decision and curbs will be taken.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks for joining us with the very latest details right there.